Hello friends and family from home. Today I have a really exciting video that I want to do. I have a lot of people asking me like how you go about starting like a theme park / Disney YouTube channel, if it's possible in 2023 with all of the amazing vloggers out there. And I'm going to officially announce our 4,000 subscriber giveaway winner for the Disney Parks Hocus Pocus Loungefly. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click the bell notification so you wear future uploads and live streams, we would greatly appreciate it. A little bit of our backstory before we actually get into the whole like 2023 vlogging, Disney, Universal, and so on. I do want to kind of give us a little bit of a backstory to kind of explain how we started our YouTube channel. So we're a family that moved from Pennsylvania to Central Florida, I would say probably about 2 years or so ago. I would say our YouTube channel is coming up on about 2 years old as well, but we started vlogging back home in Pennsylvania. I wanted to show our move, like what we did to move, how we hired movers, and our whole process moving to Florida. Not so much just for YouTube, just to have for our general, just forever basically, to be able to look back and just show our entire journey of moving to Florida from Pennsylvania. That being said, like, that's when I first started vlogging, and I feel like that was a really good way to actually get into vlogging because like you're not out in public, like in big groups of people. Some people are very nervous of the idea of actually like holding a camera in their face, walking in public, whether you're at like a shopping mall or you're say at Disney Springs, who knows, Walt Disney World, Universal Studios. I feel like just doing something from home actually is a really good way to just get used to using a camera or whatever kind of device it is that you're going to be using. It'll kind of take the little bit of edge off the nerves, and then you'll get used to using the device actually just comfortably in your own home. That being said, we moved to Florida because we absolutely love the theme parks, both Disney and Universal Studios. We always loved coming here on vacation, whether via a cruise ship or coming here on a vacation when we were little. And like we would come here, we knew we wanted to move here. And one thing like I absolutely knew that I wanted to do, I wanted to take up vlogging. We watched some amazing vloggers that you guys I'm sure know. Rick's Flicks over at Universal Orlando, big shout out to him. We love Rick. And actually Paging Mr. Morrow. He's from Scranton, Wilkes-Barre area where we're from as well. We would watch all of these amazing vloggers' videos, and I just knew like this is something that I personally totally wanted to do. I love to be able to help people, be in the theme parks, and just show you guys everything that's around, whether it's live streaming or vlogging. It's just something I am super duper passionate about and I love doing. So it's definitely something like I knew personally that I wanted to do. That being said, I do want to talk about becoming a YouTuber or vlogger in 2023. Do I personally think it's possible? And all of the tips and tricks that I would give you guys when starting a YouTube channel. I would definitely say I kind of divulged tip number 1 there. Definitely start doing something in like the comfort of your own home, your apartment, or outside where it's kind of a little bit away from people, especially if you're a little bit nervous or camera shy. Whether, again, whatever type of device you're using, definitely get kind of a little bit away from people, get comfortable using the camera, and just be comfortable using the camera. Like, I can't stress that enough. You most definitely want to do that. One big mistake that I made when I first started the YouTube channel was I went out and bought a camera. It was a good camera, but not so much good for vlogging, to say the least. So I went out and bought a really nice camera. I brought it home, started vlogging. I realized like I wasn't comfortable using the camera and it was just too like big and clunky for me. So that being said, I would say definitely don't go out and buy a camera immediately, and most definitely do your research. In hindsight, like what I would have done, I probably would have bought a gimbal of some sort, and if you have an iPhone or a phone with a really good camera, definitely start out using your cell phone. Don't drop that money into buying a camera like immediately. Like, you don't want to hit the ground running and buying a really expensive camera. You guys know cameras can get really, really pricey. Definitely use your phone and buy a gimbal or something for stabilization. That is definitely the best way to do it because you already basically have your camera and you use it every day. It's your phone. So what I did was I went out and bought a very nice camera. Again, not so much good for vlogging. I did have to go ahead and return that and do a bunch of research. Right now we actually vlog with the Canon G7X Mark II. That's a very, very good vlogging camera. It's very compact. It has a good zoom on it, and it's just a really good vlogging camera. The picture quality, the sound is really good, and it's a very good camera. So if you guys are looking and you're comfortable vlogging and whatnot, definitely look into the Canon G7X Mark II. You guys will find most Disney vloggers, that's probably the camera that's a go-to. But again, I would start out with the cell phone and then potentially look into buying a nice little camera like that one and a tripod. And I feel like that is such a good way. Like once you're comfortable with the camera, then you can kind of introduce yourself into the theme parks and whatnot. And there are some great ways actually to do some vlogging in the theme parks, because there's a lot of quiet places, whether you're at Disney or Universal Studios. It's not just like crowds everywhere. I'm sure you guys already know that, but again, you can kind of introduce yourself into the theme park vlogging by kind of like finding yourself a little quiet place tucked away a little bit to do your talking and vlogging. And then after that, you can introduce yourself more into the theme park and walking and vlogging. So this way you'll be totally comfortable just starting out at home and then going into the theme parks and just finding little quiet places. And then that's a very good step to make your next step actually to just vlogging the theme parks in general. I would definitely do that for sure. I would say my next really big tip though, if you plan on doing YouTube and vlogging, you most definitely want to upload regularly. Like don't be erratic and film like one video like every couple weeks. You want to be consistent. Consistency is definitely something that you want to be. You want to put out the most current content, whether you're doing Disney or anything in general. So I would say definitely I would start out with at least like one video a week. Do like one video a week, just a way you can kind of introduce yourself to your audience. It's a really good way to get your feet wet there. And it doesn't matter how bad you are, seriously. I look back at our old videos and I'm like horrified to watch them. I'll be completely honest with you. But it's the only way you're gonna get comfortable. So just get in front of the camera, upload regularly. I would start out with one video a week and introduce yourself. Tell your audience what your channel is gonna be about. Whether it's food blogs, it's Disney, Universal Studios, traveling, it doesn't matter. Introduce yourself to your audience, explain what your channel is about, and upload regularly. That is super duper important. Another great way, obviously, to help your YouTube channel, you got to self-promote a little bit. You're going to want to be active on social media, whether TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. You have to put yourself out there. You are totally putting yourself out there with vlogging. Well, you also have to put yourself out there on social media. You want to, again, post regularly things that you're doing, pictures, fun things. Again, if you're a member of really fun Facebook groups, there are so many amazing Disney, Universal Studios, theme park Facebook groups. We have made friends with so many amazing people online, lifelong friends truly. There are some great groups of people that love theme parks just as much as we do. They love vlogging and they might not be able to go to the theme parks as frequent as we are. So it's just amazing to be able to share that with everybody. Make yourself some friends online. Like post regularly your weekly YouTube video, whether it's on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Make friends online. It is an amazing community. Probably the best group of people we have seriously ever met. We got to meet people from all over the world. We have so many amazing friends. I am truly humbled and grateful for each and every one of them. Put yourself out there. You are gonna love these people. They are just incredible. Share your videos, what you're passionate about, most definitely. All of that being said, as you go by, like the weeks go by, you put more and more videos out, you're gonna be very, very comfortable in the camera. And I would definitely suggest like, do some live streams. They are a great way to interact with all of your friends. Like, it's amazing. Being able to take people out into the theme parks, show them what is happening like currently at the theme parks. It's an amazing thing to do. Just being able to talk one-on-one with people in like a group chat setting and showing them everything that's around. It's probably one of my favorite things to do. Just being out and about at the theme parks with my family, doing a live stream, taking people on rides. It's amazing. So definitely live stream. It's so much fun. Like, I absolutely love it. And again, it's a great way to show your audience exactly like everything that's going around in any theme park. It's incredible. I do think at that point though, like once you're live streaming, you're comfortable with your phone, if that's what you're using, your gimbal, whatever you're using to get your videos and do your videos. Once you're a little bit more comfortable, definitely go the route of potentially looking into a camera. There are some great options. Again, we use the Canon G7X Mark II. It's a really good one. Sony has an amazing camera. It's called the A6600, I believe. I'm looking into that one, the Alpha. That looks like an amazing camera. So there's so many amazing options, but definitely use the old cell phone. It definitely does the trick in the beginning for sure. Now on to the question, is it possible to create a YouTube channel in 2023? What are my thoughts? So many people actually ask this, and I'm actually glad that they do. It's nice to be able to do these videos and just kind of be able to share my thoughts on the whole thing. It doesn't matter if it's a theme park channel. Again, if you're a travel channel, it doesn't matter. It's all the same. Like, there are so many channels and genres of types of vlogging. Like, it's saturated, and it is. There's so many vloggers. Again, we do the theme park travel type videos. There's so many vloggers out there, but that being said, there's a lot of amazing ones too. But that being said, there's only one you. So you are bringing something completely unique to YouTube, to the theme parks, that has never been brought before, and that is you. So you can most definitely do a YouTube channel in 2023. It just depends on your level of success, how often you want to post videos. It really just, it's up to you. What is your level of success that you are looking to achieve? Posting more regularly, you're going to get more views and so on. Once a week, you know, it's only once a week. So it's really something for you to consider, but there is only one you. That being said, like, absolutely do it. You can do it. It is possible, of course, to do a YouTube channel in 2023. Like, there are a lot of older channels people do watch. Other people have been vlogging for like 10 years. Like, it's the truth. They have paved the way for you though. And they have made it possible for many, many YouTubers, people aspiring to be vloggers in any type of video that you're trying to create. There has been somebody before you that has probably done it before, but there is only one you. So don't be afraid to get out there, start your own YouTube channel in 2023. It is most definitely possible. Just be you, be genuine, be authentic, and just be passionate about what you're doing. I feel like that should stay true with anything in life. If you love what you're doing, people are gonna naturally want to be around you and watch what you're doing. So that is super duper important. Like, just be you, post your videos, and it'll all come for sure. I do want to jump into our 4,000 subscriber giveaway. We posted the video about 2 weeks ago. Again, I can't thank everybody enough who has taken the time to watch our videos over these past 2 years. It has been a wonderful, amazing, crazy journey on YouTube. I love absolutely every minute of it. I love just being in front of the camera, showing you guys what it is we're doing. It's touching to me that you guys watch our videos. We love you guys so much. And again, one lucky winner is taking this bag home. I do want to congratulate Heidi G for winning this Hocus Pocus Disney Parks Loungefly. Now, there are going to be many, many more giveaways in the future. I do want to congratulate Heidi G for winning this specific giveaway. We will be doing many more though, for sure. Heidi, just send us a DM with your address, and we'll get this Hocus Pocus Loungefly bag right out to you. And again, thank you guys so much to everybody who's been watching our videos for, again, like the past 2 years now. It's hard to believe that we're on YouTube for almost 2 years now. It really is. I just love what we're doing, love creating Disney, Universal, and travel content. And if you guys are out there thinking about doing vlogging, guys, just do it. I was so nervous in the beginning, but I know you can do it. You can totally do it. There is only one you. So get out there, grab your cameras, grab your cell phones, and just hit record. Show the world what you are passionate about, and I guarantee you they are going to be passionate about you. So again, thank you so much to everybody who watches our videos. Like, I can't thank you guys enough. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And welcome to the channel to everybody if you guys are new here. If you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to further support the channel, please consider checking out our Patreon page. I'll let a link to that in the description box of this video. But as always, make today awesome.